Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning Tube channel. Today I will teach you how to set a password on your computer. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, never miss update. First you go to the start button. Here start button, click start button here and type. Here you type user account, user, and click here. You can see user account here. Click user account and here you see create a password for your account. Click create a password on your account. Here you can set a password on your computer, or another way you can set a password on your computer. It is very easy but same. First click the start button here, start button, click and click the administrator. You can see same create a password for your account. My first steps and second step same, but second step is easy. Create a password for your account. Click here. You can see you can see new password, confirm password and password hint. You can set password here. What is password hint? When you create a password to log on to Windows, you can create a hint to help you remember it. Okay? Now type new password. Confirm password. And type a password hint. And click create a password. Now your password is created. finish your password. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, never miss update. And please see my first video how to type setting Arabic. Okay, you found link in the description my first video, and my next video is how to type Arabic.